The Earth has buoyancy. What's it floating in, Merl?
What's the water display when you put a beach ball on top of it?
That's the beach ball displaying buoyancy, not the water, Merl.
Really?
Yes.
So,
And the beach ball's not in free fall, Merl.
if I put the beach ball on top of the water and the
Sound like
water and the container
self-explanatory.
was in free fall, what would happen then, Paul?
The beach ball's not in free fall when it's floating on the water, Merl.
What would happen then, Paul?
The beach ball's not in free fall, Merl.
Answer the question.
I have
fuckhead.
answered the question.
No,
dickhead.
you're not. So buoyancy stops being a thing when things are in free fall, guys.
That's
when
right.
You're on a stationary static plane called the stationary Earth, do you know that you don't have weight?
That's not true.
Really?
Yeah. Even a static stationary plane would have a gravitational field, Merl.
Not if
You'd
there's
have
not a
weight without a
gravitational field.
gravitational field anyway.
No, you don't. In a static world with nothing moving, what would give you weight?
The gravitational field would give you weight, Merl.
No, there's no such thing.
There is.
So what would give you weight other than that?
I already told you the gravitational field would, Merl.
No, I don't believe you.
Well, that's your problem, not mine.
You don't have a cause. You don't have a mechanism.
Of course we do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do.
Where's it come from?
It's called the bending of space-time.
What causes it?
The bending of space-time.
So you don't know.
Yeah, mass. Mass is what causes it, Merl.
So you don't know.
Yeah, I just told you. It's mass.
So you've got three claims. The Earth's in free fall, it's stationary, or it's moving up. Now let's explore the three. Free fall says no buoyancy. We've got buoyancy. Cancel that one.
No, it's not the Earth that hasn't got buoyancy. It's things on the
Stationary
Earth.
Earth.
Because you're wrong, Mel.
You've got no weight because you've got no gravity, and all you've got is relative density disequilibrium.
It's a malformed statement when you say the Earth has no buoyancy. Things on the Earth have buoyancy, not the Earth itself, Mel.
If the Earth's in free fall, it's an object.
That's right.
We're standing on that object.
The Earth is not buoyant, but things on the Earth are buoyant, Mel.
We're standing on that object.
That's right.
And it's apparently in free fall.
Yeah, that's right.
It's not.
But you're not in free fall, are you? So you aren't buoyant. You have buoyancy.
If you're on that Earth, you're in free fall too.
No, you're not.
So the Earth's in free fall, but the creatures on that object
are not in free fall.
Right.
Because they are in a gravitational field, Mel. That's why.
So then you have a stationary Earth with no gravity. Where's your weight come from?
No, even a stationary Earth would still have gravity, Mel.
Where's your weight come from?
From gravity, because things that are stationary also have gravity, Mel.
Right. So this guy is becoming more and more impotent, you see. You see the dick shrink into the pelvis?
Why are you doing ad homs now, Merl? Have you lost already?
So we're nearly there.
No, we're
now
not.
We've got the final phase. The Earth's moving up. Guess what? You've got weight. You've got buoyancy. Do you get it yet?
No, because that wouldn't explain everything we see, Merl.
That's why I'm here, Dan. Because the fucking shit you cunts have in your fucking heads, like Mabbott says, is embarrassing.
Well, how the fuck would it explain the different gravitational accelerations over the surface of the Earth, Merl? Is the Earth moving up at different rates and different spots? Huh?
Nah, there's just...
No, it's not, is it? It's not, is it, Merl? That's a ridiculous notion. It's a ridiculous notion that's easily debunked for anyone with even a small amount of intelligent thought, isn't it, Merl?
Yeah, there's different levels of an invisible force around an invisible space rock working in accordance with something we don't even know what we're saying.
Well, you might know, but people that actually do the studies do know, Merl.
There's invisible tentacles coming out of invisible octopus that holds everything together.
Well, that's a crazy explanation. I'm not surprised that you would think of something like that.
Well, that's what it does. I mean, where's the suction cups on the ocean to stick it to the rock?
Well,
Bro,
let's make
you
up
sound
a
so dumb.
total.
Just stop.
Let's make up a totally ridiculous explanation that
You
no
guys
one would
sound
accept,
really
right?
intelligent when you say gravity. You sound
Yeah, we do.
Well,
We
it
do
is.
actually.
It's the right answer, dude.
smart. Like it
I
sounds
mean,
like
bro,
gravity.
just hold yourself to a higher standard. Come on.
You guys, but beyond the word that you didn't think up, that none of you know where it comes from, what it is, how it works, but we'll say it. That's intelligence, is it?
Well, you just keep on saying that no one knows, but when we tell you how it works, you keep on saying no one knows. That's not very intelligent, Merl.
No.
You should just try to learn about it,
You've got
bro.
a couple of scenarios. A couple
Just
don't
try to learn
work
about it, bro.
for very different reasons. But the problem is free fall and how that's an opposite vector to what's actually happening.
Freefall's not a vector, Merl.
Yes, it is. It's a direction.
No.
100%.
Bro, what are you trying to argue, bro? Like, what's your real argument?
And the cables got cut and the ground started falling away from you, you'd instantly know what free fall is.
What direction is freefall, Merl?
What would happen? Would you hang on to the wall?
Come on, answer the question, Merl. What direction is freefall?
When you're in the elevator, that all of a sudden there's no cables, no support. It's just going.
Bro, you have to answer questions. You have to engage. You sound ridiculous when you do this.
However long. What would happen when it goes into free fall?
So you can't answer my question. I'll just accept that you don't know the answer, right?
Would you hang on to the wall?
So you know nothing about freefall. I get it, Merl. You don't know anything about freefall because you won't answer my question.
Hang on to the walls? Like, how would you...
Merl, ask a real question. Be real or just stop talking, Merl, because it's ridiculous for you just to vamp like this. It's dumb. It sounds dumb. You're making a fool of yourself. It's no good.
At speed, what would happen? How would you support yourself?
Can I ask a real question?
I'm not answering your question until you answer mine, Merl.
Not a real enough question, is it?
I'm not answering your question. And why would I answer your questions, Merl, if you won't answer mine?
Now you know how it feels.
No, you know how it feels. Now you know how it feels, Merl.
Merl, maybe just take a break, dude.
So what would happen when you go into free fall, Paul?
Which direction is free fall, Merl?
So you're in an elevator, the cables have been cut, and you're hurtling towards the bottom quickly.
So you're in orbit around a planet. Which direction are you falling?
Can you just answer this question, Merl? It's only fair that you answer a question.
There's no such thing as free fall around a planet, fuckhead.
No, stop ad-homing.
Really?
Let me just say, Merl, if you cannot do this like an adult, I am going to mute you. I don't care if it's going to make the whole place silent. I will mute you if you cannot be an adult.
What are you?
That's my last warning, bro. I'm tired of listening to you call everybody fuckheads and be such a dick. Either be an adult or go away.
What are you?
Last chance.
What are you?
All right, Merle's going to take a break. He's too angry. He's too worked up.